Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones JBL TUNE 770 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, you need to press this line or click Enter. And now, at the right top, you will see a device button. You need to press this button, and if you have Windows 10, you have this button at the top. Then you will see this window, and right here you need to click Bluetooth. And now, we need to enter pairing mode. So, we have two options how to do this. The first one is when your headphones turn off, and the second when they turn on. Now, at your right ear cup, we have all controls, and here's power button. So you need to press and hold this power button until the LED light near to it start blinking blue. So we turn on them. Now you keep holding this button. Now it starts blinking blue. We enter pairing mode manually, and now we should see them at the device list. Here it is. But as I said, we have second option. And if your headphones already turn on, you need to press 2 times the power button, especially that this headphones support dual connection, so you can connect 2 devices to your headphones simultaneously. Now, 1, 2, you will hear the prompt pairing, and you will enter to pairing mode. Now, we should see them at the device list. Click at your headphones, and then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!